Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today we will be showing you one of the best ways to make eggs.
99 names of Allah.
I start off by grabbing 2 eggs and separating them. Then I mix the egg whites until I get a really fluffy consistency. I then add the 2 egg yolks and add some sugar. Then I butter the pan and add my egg mixture in. I let it sit for a few minutes, then I flip. And then I add some maple syrup on top with some avocados and some bread on the side, and there you have it.
Bye guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Bye.